Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your router and access points support 5 GHz and 802. 11 AC or AX because higher PHY gives faster throughput. Power up devices and update firmware. This fixes radio bugs. Next, map your coverage. Walk the area with a phone while noting dead zones and expected throughput so you can place APs. Finally, choose channels and SSIDs, make separate names for 2, 4 versus 5 GHz, so devices connect to the intended band immediately. Once done with hardware and placement, log into each AP and configure the 5 GHz radio. Choose 20, 40, or 80 MHz channel width depending on interference, and pick clear channels. DFS channels can be used but may trigger radar events. Set security to WPA3 or WPA2/AES with a strong passphrase, because encryption protects throughput and devices. Then tune transmit power and enable MU-MIMO and beamforming to improve multi-device performance. Now validate performance by running speed tests and generating a Wi-Fi heat map so you can compare expected versus real Mbps and latency. Move client devices to the 5 GHz SSID or enable band steering to encourage the change automatically, because higher bands reduce congestion. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Scan for interference from neighbors or devices, change channels, lower channel width, update firmware, and slightly reposition an AP. One key tip: if coverage drops after changes, revert the last change and test incremental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.